Hi, so right now I'm going to show you with my daughter Ayana how to make your very own cloud dough. It's similar to Play-Doh, but it's called cloud dough. It uses some of the same ingredients. So you're going to need a big mixing bowl, a whisk or a wooden spoon, some flour. You'll need a small scoop or measuring cup, some oil, and if you have at home some Play-Doh or cookie cutters, just for fun and imagination. If not, you can use the cup rim or a lid. So the first thing we're going to do is, if you use like a small scooper or iced tea scooper, you're going to take 10 scoops of the flour and place it into your bowl. Okay, so we're going to look into the bowl and we'll see the 10 scoops. And now we're going to take approximately 3 small filled scoop and put them into the bowl. Be careful. You can fill it all the way up. There we go. So that's 1. And we're going to add 2 more filled containers. So this activity is all about what it feels like. We know what clouds look like. You can discuss that with your child. They look very soft. So now we're going to do what they may feel like. So when you're done with your oil, put the top back on, place it back with the rest of your materials, and then you can take the whisk and begin to mix and stir up your mixture until it becomes a consistency that feels sort of like Play-Doh. If you find that it's too watery or it's not getting to the consistency that you want, you can always add more flour. But your mixture should have more flour than it does oil. And you keep mixing. Every once in a while you want to stop mixing to test it out to see, but you should have no traces of the flour. So there should be no whiteness when you're all done. You want everything to pretty much be mixed in really good. And then with your hands you can feel it and see if you're able to make a ball or any type. If it's still not mixing right, once again you can add more flour. And the more you mix it up, the more it should become more dough-like. Last but not least, after a few whips around the bowl, shake off your spoon or your whisk. And then try to see if you can create a ball or a flat creation for your snow dough. And once you have your mixture, you can place a big ball onto a flat surface. I'm choosing to use the foil so it doesn't stick to the table. And you can use your cookie cutters to make different creations. So we have, because we're learning about transportation in the sky this week, Ayana picked a star. She has a rainbow, the letter Y, the letter V, our letters of the week, and a jet. So you just place it down onto the foil and kind of see how your creation turns out. But pretty much you get the idea and you make your very own snow dough at home. It's not the tastiest thing for your child to eat if they put it in their mouth, but it won't harm them either. It's just flour and oil. So I hope you have fun at home doing this activity, and Ayana and I are going to finish playing with our snow dough. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
See you next time. Hi, it's Miss Rihanna, and I'm back. And sticking to our transportation let's go theme, we're still talking about airplanes. So today you're going to make your own airplane using a water bottle, a pair of child safe scissors, whatever color crayons you choose to use, and 2 pieces of cardboard. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my cardboard on angles, which I already did. About an inch long one, and then one a little less, under an inch widthwise. And then I'm going to color my airplane pieces. Have your child color both sides of the airplane pieces. Because offhand you're not sure which one is going to show. So as you can see, I colored both sides red. And now I have the blue crayon. I'm going to color my other airplane piece. Next, I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to create 2 openings, one on the left side of the bottle and one on the right side of the bottle, so I can insert my airplane pieces. So I'm just going to cut a tiny slit one side, and I'll show you closer. So as you can see, it's a slit here, and then I'll cut another slit on the opposite side. As you can see, it's right here. So I have 2 slits, and I'll take my smaller airplane piece. I will place it through one side and have it come out through the other. You may have to grab it with your hand depending on how sturdy your cardboard piece is. So it will look like this for starters. And then you'll do the same thing with the bottom of the airplane, except the round part, you're going to cut them right here. So you'll take a line straight across and you'll just cut all the way across. So as you can see, my scissors are going all the way through. There we go. A little bit difficult because I'm using child scissors. They aren't the sharpest thing to use. And then I'll take my final piece, and this is where you can put it all the way through. Sorry guys, it's really difficult to do it with the child scissors. But if you're going to do this part for your child, which I would hope you would, you can actually use regular scissors. And it'll work just as fine. So you take your cardboard piece and you'll actually place it through your cut part. So you'll have an airplane that looks like this. And the best thing about this is your child will probably try to throw it. They can fly, and because it's a plastic bottle, it won't cause any harm. It won't break anything in the home. And you can put all types of decorations on it. You can even get fancy if you have a lot of paints at home. You can have your child paint the water bottle, but this is what your final products will look like. Hope you have fun making your airplane. Bye.